Edo Governor Obaseki on Wednesday 29 November 2023 don join body with supervising agency wey be Edo State Building and Maintenance Agency and other ogbonge pipo to do some check for the Stella Obasanjo Hospital wey dey under renovation. For im tok with Tori pipo, Obaseki come tok say him dey satisfied with the quality of job wey dem do and the way they take dey expand the hospital. He come still tok say him come do dis check not to just see the progress but to also encourage the contractors. He come add say dem dey try to finish strong and tok say two key areas of intervention wey dey hold strong na the area of education and health. Obaseki come still chook mouth for the matter wey concern all the reforms in terms of processes, procedures, technology and say dem dey try to finish with the infrastructure and by May 2024 they go deliver the hospital as promised.
The two key areas of intervention, which is education and health, are the areas we are honing on finally. We've done all the, reforms, in terms of processes, in terms of procedures, in terms of technology. Now we're trying to finish with the infrastructure, particularly the governance infrastructure. Just as you will see with the education hub, this is going to be the health hub. And so it's going to be a combination of hospital and administration facilities. The last time we were here, the OPD, the outpatients department, wasn't complete, and so you can see now the furniture is in, equipment is in, and hopefully installation of the equipment and commissioning of the equipment will commence before the end of the year. For the IPD, where you have, it's going to be a huge hospital. Like I told you, one of the reasons why we removed the central hospital was to bring that hospital to, a much more befitting location with the kind of expanse of land and facilities here. And the IPD is going to have facilities for diagnostics, for laboratories, and up to about over 200 beds, which is bigger than any hotel in Benin today. And it's going to be a modern hospital fitted with all the facilities, with gas pipes into each room, and all the things that you find in any hospital anywhere in the world will be here in this hospital. We have MRI, CT scans, high-end, technology based equipment for treating a whole wide range of diseases and conditions. So I'm here not just to also encourage and push the contractors to accelerate work, to also encourage them and support what they're doing so that we can deliver this hospital in May next year, as we had promised. The quality is very high, very, very high. I'm so impressed with the quality. You can see the world's quality of the bricks that were used before, about 40, 30 years ago, compared to what is being done now.
Obaseki consti carry waka go do check for the Nigeria Observer, Sir Victor Owai Creative Center and Benin City Mall. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.